Hi guys, here's week 36 assignments. This is where you'll find what work you need to do this week. I just kind of want to go over the expectations and where you can find the assignments and also how to submit them. So up at the top of our Blackboard page under week 36 assignments, you're going to click the week 36 agenda. This again is no work that you have to do. It's just letting you know how long each assignment, should take you to do this, okay? So you're going to watch the lecture, you're going to read a passage over the cardiovascular system and answer questions, and then you're going to do a cardio Quizlet. So here's the lecture that I recorded last week. It's also posted under week 35. But you do need to watch those. I share my screen and go through the PowerPoint with you, and then also kind of trace the flow of the blood through the heart. So you can watch those. The cardiovascular reading, you will click this, and then you will get something that looks like this. You will read through this, and this will be where you get the answers to answer these questions for Blackboard. And these questions are just like everything that you've been used to in the past, and you will answer the questions and then submit them. Now, the one that may be a little bit different for you guys this week is this cardiovascular Quizlet. So if you click here, you will see that this is where you will do your digital Dropbox submission, okay? So once you click the link, click the Quizlet link, and it will take you to the website. Now, you can go through this as many times as you need to be sure that you know the information. And then when you are ready, you're going to come over here on test. And then you are going to fill this test out, okay? So you'll put in all your answers and answer the questions, and then you will hit check answers. Now, obviously, I didn't do very well. I didn't even put in any answers, so obviously I would want to try this again. And guys, you can try it as many times as you want to. It doesn't matter until you get the score that you want, okay? So once you have the score that you want, you're going to right click, just as we have with other digital Dropbox information or assignments. You're going to click the print button. Now, obviously, we're not going to want to print it because there's no way for you guys to turn it in. Rather, you're going to come over here to destination and you're going to click save as a PDF, okay? Click the save button, and then it will come up with save as. You are going to put your last name in the box, okay? And then you will label it Lievsay. Well, you will do your last name. And then save it in a location where you're going to be sure to find it. And then once it's there, you are going to go back to our Blackboard page. I've clicked out of mine. So let me go back. And once you're on week 36 assignments, you are going to, again, click that link. And down here, you're going to find a location where it says Browse My Computer. So you would click on where you most recently saved that. I don't know where mine went. Well, I thought I saved it in 36. Anyway, you will, wherever you saved it, you will click the document, and then you will come down here, which you can't see my screen. There you go. And you will click this submission button, okay? And then once it submits, it will go in. I'm not going to because that's not what I want. But that is how it will be uploaded to me. I will check it and grade it and make sure that you've done it and completed, and you will get your points, okay? So then those are the 2 grades you will get this week, your cardiovascular Quizlet and your cardiovascular reading questions. So you will have 2 grades going in this week. Also, if you have not completed week 35 assignments, please be sure that you submit those as well. I will be updating Progress Book tomorrow. So just be sure that those are posted by 9 a.m. tomorrow. I hope you all are doing well. I miss you. And hopefully we can get back to a normal life soon. So again, we won't be having a Zoom meeting this week, but if you do have any questions, feel free to email me and I'll do my best to get to you in a timely fashion. Take care, guys. Bye.